Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can add a second y-axis to a graph in Excel. If you see this helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Let's start. Just arrange data like this. For example, that's x-axis and that's first y-axis and this one a second y-axis. In this case, just select all the data. Then from insert, here we have charts. Select it just which type you want. For example, I selected this one. Good. If I look at the graph, you see this one is not presented very well, so I have to change this one to a secondary y-axis. Just select graph window, then right click, format chart area. Then, for example, I want to change this one to secondary y-axis. Just click it. Directly from here, we have secondary axis. Good. You see, second y-axis is added and the plot is changed. Good. For example, I want to change minimum and maximum. Click this one. Then from here, this one. Oh, sorry. Okay, this one. For example, I want to start temperature from 20. Good. For this one, I want to add pressure from 80 minimum. Good. From here again, you can add access titles, access, and also legend is so important. It's added. You can change access title, for example, time. That's the way to add a second y-axis to your graph in Excel. That's all. Have a nice time.